Hello, this is Brian again. Left Lightning Gulch Point, back that way, and the road is just over there. So I left it. I think I might have found a way up Peak 9360, and another humongous Sierra Juniper. It's even bigger than the other one I filmed earlier. This one's got two massive trunks. Beautiful. But like I said, I left the road just over there. I'm gonna make a cross-country walk up this way and see if this leads to the peak. I suspect it might, but I'm not sure. I really don't want to be making a lot of extra climbs and stuff today, as I am very tired. But at least I have a big landmark to look for when I come back. Big juniper. Let's go try to see if I can go around this way of least resistance. I'm just curious if this will lead me to Peak 9360. Not sure. Maybe if I go over there, not that part of the ridge, maybe I'll have a better vantage point. Because if I think this will lead to it, it should be a fairly short detour off trail. If not, then I'll just head back that way, back to the road, and continue on my way. I think I see higher terrain over there. Let's see. I'm bushed today. My non-regular hiking is not getting me where I need to be. I think this would be the way to get there. I'm just going to go through areas of least resistance, which definitely will mean poking around to find a good way. I suspect that the peak might be over there. There's some higher terrain. So let's see. See if this will lead me there. There's a slightly higher bump over there, but I think this way leads to higher terrain. So let's see. Let's see if this will be right. Alright. It's pretty easy passageway up here. Doesn't look like this peak will have a lot of prominence. Let's see. I'm gonna keep hiking. If this is the right way, or I suspect it's the right way. Wait a minute. I think I'm close to it. Close to whatever this is. think I am. I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just completely wiped out today. Let's see. Whew. Near the top of something. I see blue sky basically all around. Let's see. This might be it. Let's see. Alright, time for some bushwhacking. I think this is going to be it. I think this is it. That's the highest point. Yeah, it's got to be 9360. It's a rock duck over there. Wow, that's weird. Well, I believe this is it. 9360. Time to sit down again. I believe this is 9360. It's on the east side of the trail. Of course, heading back, I went left instead of right. So I was heading back. But yeah, I think this is it. Did a little bit of slogging to get up here, but not much. Oh, there's a rock duck. I don't know where that came from. But this is it. I believe. I mean, if I find out any different, that this is a different peak, I will obviously post information. Even in the either in the description below the video or in the comment section. We'll see. But I believe this is it. This looks like this would be about 9,360 feet. Because I've come down a ways, then I went up again over the steep last downhill before hitting the peak. But I believe this is it. It's got to be peak 9,360. The elevation gain seems about right from where the trail is, but then again, I could have picked it up from a little bit further, because I believe I was supposed to head in a northwesterly direction. I think it was a northwesterly direction, roughly. But from where I was planning to leave the trail, as the trail made a sharp bend before making the final round up to Lightning Gulch Point. But regardless, this is my second summit of the day. This is the second peak I've been on. Really short distance from Lightning Gulch Point, so it's pretty nice and shady up here. Found a little rock to sit on. So there's not a huge amount of prominence here, it looks like, unless you're looking towards this way or that way. But there are a lot of small bumps in the area. But yeah, this looks like it, 9,360. If, like I said, if I find out differently when I look at my maps, I will post a comment about it. Post a comment or put it in the description for this video, because this is part of the series of Lightning Gulch Point. But alright, I think I'm just gonna snap a few pictures up here and then I'm gonna start heading back to that rock duck. I'm not gonna film much more, like I said. I'll probably have an update video at the end, but I'm gonna get some pictures. It's time to start heading down.